Microsoft Teams puts your chat, meetings, and conversations in one place, so you can stop juggling different tools just to get through your day. It's built to make collaboration actually flow in real time. So if you value staying organized, reducing email clutter, and keeping your team aligned without constant back and forth, it's time to master chats and conversations in Teams.
There are some really useful features in Teams chat that people don't even know exist. Many companies use Microsoft Teams for file sharing and collaboration as well as for communication, especially chat.
But there are also a lot of features that people often overlook.
In this course, we'll go through the basics of chats and conversations in Teams.
Plus, we'll also share our top 10 secret tips, those features a lot of people don't know about.
To begin, let's start a chat. Click on the new message icon. Enter the person's name on the To line. If it's someone in your organization, their name should come up easily.
And here's tip number 1. To message someone outside your organization, if your company allows access to external users, then all you need to do is enter their email and begin a chat.
This is great because it allows for seamless cross-organizational collaboration.
With your contact entered, all you have to do is type your message and press enter or click the send icon.
So that's one option, but there are also a few lesser-known ways to start a chat. Anywhere you see the person's avatar, just hover over it and either click the chat icon to go to the chat window or type where it says send a quick message and send.
Ah, a hidden talent you don't expect from an avatar.
You can also send a chat from Outlook using their avatar.
Yep, these avatars can open up a whole new way to connect.
Or you can click chat with or share to Teams within an email.
Lastly, and this is secret tip number 2, you can always just click in the command box at the top of the Teams window, type /chat, then the person's name.
And the best part is you don't even have to open a chat window. You can just type your message right there and send it, all from the command box. Then you'll be able to see your recent chats to the left of the screen, so you can keep track of your different ongoing conversations.